Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi using clay. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need polymer clay in white for rice, black for nori, and vibrant colors like orange, red, and green for your fish and vegetables. Also, have a craft knife, a small rolling pin, and a few basic sculpting tools ready. Ensure your workspace is clean and prepare a baking sheet for later. Now let's create the foundation for our sushi. Take your white polymer clay and roll it into tiny, individual rice-like ovals. Don't worry about perfect uniformity. Natural variations add charm. Gently press these rice pieces together to form a compact, rectangular, or oval base, depending on your desired sushi type. For nigiri, shape a small mound. For rolls, create a flat, even layer. With your rice base ready, it's time for the exciting part, adding the toppings and fillings. Use your colored clays to sculpt thin slices of fish, like salmon or tuna, or small vegetable pieces such as avocado or cucumber. Carefully place these onto your rice base. For rolls, arrange them neatly before wrapping. Don't forget the tiny details, like miniature black clay dots for sesame seeds or small orange spheres for roe, to bring your sushi to life. Once your clay sushi creations are complete, it's time to bake them. Follow the specific temperature and time instructions provided on your polymer clay packaging to ensure proper curing. After baking, let your sushi cool completely on the baking sheet before touching them. This prevents damage and ensures they harden correctly. Then, arrange your beautiful miniature sushi pieces for display. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your creative space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.